The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung GALAXY A50 for Sprint. So the GALAXY A50 is now here at Sprint as of today, June 14th, so this is pretty cool. So the GALAXY A50 is a mid-range smartphone, looks very nice and stuff like that. It's available in black, and it's available in 64 gigabytes of storage. This is the front of the phone, looks very nice in my opinion. It's available in black, like I said. It does have a water drop notch there, so it's not too bad, and it has an 18:9 screen. Y'all guys have a couple payment options to choose from. Y'all guys have the Sprint Flex 18-month lease, but y'all guys can get it 0 down, 0 today, and then 10,000 a month, or y'all guys can get a full price at $349.99 full price. So yeah. So that's front of the phone. You guys have I think your power button is on the right side, and your ground button is on the left side. Just left side right there. Right side. And then on the back of the GALAXY A50, there's like 3 cameras, a camera 5 Samsung one, and that's about it. One of them is a standard lens, one of them is a wide angle lens, and one is a depth sensing lens, so it's pretty cool. So GALAXY A50 is a nice phone. Verizon got it yesterday on the postpaid service yesterday, so now Sprint has it. That's pretty nice. So it has a 6.4-inch infinity display. It's pretty big. All-day battery, triple camera on back. Like I said, one of them is a standard lens, one of them is a wide angle lens, one of them is a depth sensing lens or some shit. You have fingerprint and you have fast charging. Designed for the way you live, the Samsung GALAXY A50 is a smartphone you've been waiting, you've been looking for. Go all day into the night with the higher capacity, long-lasting, fast-charging battery. Capture last moments exactly the way you want to remember them with the GALAXY A50 multi-lens camera. Elevate your entertainment experience with a vibrant 6.4-inch infinity display that delivers a clear edge-to-edge view. Alright? So here's all the features of the GALAXY A50, the screen to see more of the world. Get closer of what matters to you on GALAXY A50's 6.4-inch infinity view display. The display covers the phone's edge-to-edge for a phone that is narrow bezel-less and with Full HD plus resolution and Super AMOLED color. You can dive deep into your favorite vlogs and live streams. Premium design. GALAXY A50 is pure premium aesthetics, and its body fits comfortably in your hand. The 3D classic back and on-screen fingerprint scanner means you have smooth, seamless curves on all sides. So this have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so that's pretty cool. It's not bad for $350. Seeing hold up, I missed one. Oh shit, hang on. Triple camera to capture your life's moments. GALAXY A50's triple camera consists of an ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of vision like the human eye, as well as a 25 megapixel f1.7 aperture camera for bright, clear photos all day. To round it out, a 5 megapixel depth camera for adjusting depth of field. Alright. Scene optimizer for scene optimizer for sharing with your photos. One shot is all you need, whether taking a photo of food, your pet, or the things you love. Scene optimizer recognizes and enhances using artificial intelligence so you get optimum levels of brightness. Alright, that's pretty good. Flaw detection helps fix your shots. Fall detection catches blinks, blurs, and backlighting and lets you know to try again, so you can get the right shot at the right moment. So it lets you know someone's blinking or closing their eyes, and she'll tell you, hey, someone's blinking. So it'll tell you, so it's pretty cool, I guess, or interesting, or whatever. Capture more than your good side. Selfies are supposed to look good. The 25 megapixel front camera gives you vivid day shots and draws in more light when it starts to flare night shots. So you get great selfies all day. Selfie focus puts you in the limelight by gently blurring the background, and you are good to go. Let your personality shine through. Now you have even more ways to express yourself. Making personalized AR emojis to send to your friends to show how you feel, and play around with AR stickers, filters, and stamps for fun photos. New words needed. Your fingerprint is the key. Galaxy A50 comes with a high-tech biometric authentication. The on-screen fingerprint scanner recognizes your unique fingerprint, so you are the only one who can press and unlock in one easy move. The battery that keeps you proud. When out living life, you need a phone that can last. The 4,000 mAh battery powers you through the day, so you can stream, share, and game. And if you want a little hard, if you want a little too hard, you can just use Galaxy A50's quick 15-watt fast charger. So that's good. Made to focus. One UI, so it has the One UI on here from Samsung. So that means it's Android Pie, of course. Helps you focus on what really matters to you. Hardware and software work together, and with content and features at your fingertips, so you can get to them faster. Use night mode for a comfortable experience in the dark, and with clear, intuitive visuals using your phone is like second nature. Alright? Specs on this phone, like I said, this is a later end phone. This is a pretty good phone for what it is. The Galaxy A50 weighs 5.92 ounces. You get 25 hours of talk time. Processor is an Exynos 9610. It's an octa-core, 2.3 GHz, Android Pie with One UI from Samsung, of course. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. MicroSD card slot is available for 512 gigabytes of microSD card expansion. 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, Infinity U display there, Super AMOLED. The Galaxy A50's dimensions are 6.2 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.03 inches depth. The cameras on the back, there's 3 cameras on the back. Like I said, one of them is a standard camera, one is a wide angle camera, and one of them is a depth sensing camera. So you have a 25 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and then a 5 megapixel depth camera, and then you have a 25 megapixel front facing camera. There's your Bluetooth profiles, battery 4,000 milliamps. Battery is not removable, so you keep that in mind. And it does have quick charge from Samsung. It has the 15-watt charger in the charger, so it's very good. And what you guys get in the box is you guys get the Galaxy A50, the 4,000 mAh battery, which is embedded in the phone, Type-C charger, install SIM card, 3.5. Stereo headset in terms of conditions, so not you sign stuff there. Yeah, I think you do get headphones with these. I think you do get headphones, so that's pretty good. So there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy A50, now available at Sprint for $349.99 full outright, or $10 a month with the Sprint Flex plan. I do think that Boost Mobile will get this one too at some point. I don't see why not. I mean, this would be a great phone for Boost Mobile. I do think that Boost will get this one at some point. I do think that Verizon prepaid will get this phone at some point as well, because Verizon already has on postpaid. I don't see why Verizon wouldn't bring us to postpaid, bring us to prepaid, but I'm sure they will at some point. So I'm sure that the Galaxy A50 will make its way to prepaid on Boost and Verizon. So if you guys want Boost and Verizon and you guys want this phone, it might be coming your way. So there you guys have the Galaxy A50. It's a nice looking phone, great specs for what it is. I like the phone. The phone looks very nice. It has great features on it, like I said. It has fast charging, 15-watt charging, Android Pie with One UI. It has 18:9 screen. It has Type-C charging. It has a lot of stuff that I like on it. It has LTE, of course. The notch on here is pretty good. It's not, it's not too bad. It's a pretty small notch there. It's not too bad. It's not like as big. It's not as bad as the Pixel 3 XL. Notch is terrible, but this notch is pretty good. So not too bad there on the notch. So the specs on here, like I said, are pretty fucking good for what you're getting with this phone. So this is like a budget to mid-range, high-end smartphone or whatever. So yeah, if you guys want a pretty damn good Galaxy phone, but don't want to spend up to $2,000 on the Galaxy Fold, y'all guys can get this phone for way less than $350 full price, or $10 a month on the Sprint Flex plan if you guys want to do that. So yeah, there you guys have it. Galaxy A50 now available at Sprint. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.